And time has come for us as a country to part ways with any member of the organs of our national security who is aiding, abetting, and even complicating the already enough security challenges we have as a country. And it will not be enough. We have decided, Your Excellency, it will not be enough to transfer people. Because you transfer an officer, you are transferring a problem. I want to make it clear to all my colleagues who are serving with me in this ministry at all levels. Time has come for us to decide either we build our country or we just let it go to the dogs. And I'm sure the choice is extremely obvious. Between you as an officer and the country, we will choose to stick with the country. There are some genuine grievances, but at the same time, members of the public, we must be an orderly society which processes their grievances within the law. Therefore, any member of the public who tries to access a police station or any protected area, trying to contend with law enforcement officers in the name of processing their grievances, will treat you the way we are treating the other dangerous people in our midst. I am afraid that lawlessness has been induced by leaders, including political leaders. In Kericho and Bomet, this culture of violent resolution of grievances, Kericho and Bomet as we speak, my next stop, people who have what appears to be some of them genuine grievances of a historical nature. But instead of asking governments to support them resolve grievances, they steal property, they burn equipment, they even resist law enforcement officers and attack some of them, including burning police cars. And there are some political leaders who are involved, and they are my friends. They are my friends. We will not allow you, whoever you are, to take Kenya to the dogs. It will